Assemble and plan out all gear needed. Plug in all microphones using XLR leads. It is wise to write a list of which microphones go to what channel. Plug into the loom accordingly. A lot of different people place their mics in different places for different sounds. This is a jazz position. This is a rock position. Different types and brands of mics can be used. For example, an SM57 Dynamic and an Audio-Technica AT33. You can set up the kick drum a number of ways, but the two that we've chosen are an SM91 and a PG52. The 91 gives a nice full pop, while the 52 gives a large bass boom. It all depends on the sound you're looking for. Using SM56 mics, clip them to the rim of your tom. Using the SM57, positioning it towards the middle of the skin. The 56 is very similar to the 57. It's more a matter of mounting preference. For optimum sound, place the overhead mics 1.5 feet above the cymbals, opposing at a 135 degrees angle. Modelled here are the PG81s and the AKG C1000s. All the setups, positioning and microphones shown are only a few of the options available in today's industry. It's all up to personal opinion and preference.